Grow-out culture of Asian catfish Clarias macrocephalus grantor. Clarias macrocephalus, commonly known as the Asian or walking catfish, belong to the family Claridae and could be found in freshwater. This is an example of Clarias macrocephalus, whereas seeing places such as swamps, streams, rivers, lakes, dams, and canals. Swamps, there are the most comfortable lives example for the mud. Stream water and the rivers for the wide swim of catfish, potential sensible for dams and canals. Site selection. There are two selections of ponds, water supply and soil. Water supply, there should be clean, sufficient, and reliable water. Maintain good water quality and depth in ponds. The area should have complete protection against floods from the agricultural. The last is soil. Soil must be preferable like clay, sandy clay. Soil must be good compaction and should be retain water inside the ponds. Next is rearing system. There are 5 types of rearing system. First one is pond culture. Culture is earthen ponds is the most popular and common practice in rearing system. This pond culture is provides with gates made of wood to potential using net. Next is pen culture. System fully enclosed by nets on all sides, the same for ponds culture, but utilized to match silt and decaying organic matter should be avoided. Pen enclosure could be made of nylon net or polygreen net 2 to 5 mm. Pens may be constructed 5 by 5 by 2 mm or 10 by 10 by 2 mm, depending on the desired size. Another types of rearing system is tank culture. Tank culture can be used abandoned in old hatcheries culturing catfish. Freshwater source must be available for the catfish is make and comfortable. The last type of rearing system is cage culture. Cage culture system is fully enclosed by nylon nets 2 to 5 millimeter mesh on all sides, and the bottom similar to a big inverted mosquito net. The cage is submerged and maintained at 0.7 to 1.5 millimeter water, and the size of cage is 2 by 2 by 1.5 millimeter to 10 by 10 by 1.5 millimeter cage. Catfish culture is our farming is practiced in India, China, and other Asian countries. There are 8 factors to consider, such as number 1, fingerling selection, number 2, handling and transport of fingerlings, number 3, acclimation and stocking, number 4, feeds and feeding, number 5, sampling, number 6, water management, number 7, farm records, and the last is harvest and marketing. Disease management. This is usually result from water quality and stress due to handling and high stocking density. Catfish disease could be bacterial, fungi, viral, nutritional, or environmental origin. Mortalities of about 50% or more any occur 2 weeks stocking as a result. Types of disease sign. Number 1. Lack of appetite or reduced feed intake. Number 2. Abnormal swimming behavior. Number 3. Discoloration of the body and gills. Number 4. Gradual or mass mortality. Number 5. Erosion of barbels, tail knot, belong lesions. And the last is foulness and weight loss. Factors of disease management. First is bacteria, second is parasite, third is fungi, fourth nutrition, and the last is management.